Hi dear friends, you have filed return. Now this is time. You may be getting notices from the income tax department for filing of defective return, for taking of case under scrutiny, or you may be getting the assessment order passed by the department. In such a situation, when you get a communication from the income tax department, it is necessary to understand whether the notice, letter or order is actually issued by the income tax department. Why? This is time of cyber crimes. And if you don't verify the genuineness of the notice or letter, you may be defrauded by the cyber criminals. फेक नोटिस, फेक लेटर डिपार्टमेंट के नाम से आपको कोई चीट नहीं कर पाए, इसलिए इस वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देख लीजिएगा. द प्रोसेस ऑफ वेरिफिकेशन इज वेरी सिंपल. यू हैव टू गो टू द ई पोर्टल ऑफ इनकम टैक्स department, e-portal incometax.gov.in, and there is no necessity to enter your login credential. You have to just go to the home option and click. Once you click the home option, you will get the list of quick links. Just at the bottom before e-pay tax, you will get an option, authenticate notice / order issued by the income tax department. Click that option and you will get an screen which I am showing to you, authenticate notice order issued by income tax department. So there is first option. In case the earlier orders, notices issued by the income tax department, the document identification number DIN may not be there. In such cases, you can select the first option and enter PAN number, document type, whether it is notice, it is letter, it's order, the assessment year for which it pertains, date of issue, and your mobile number. However, now in all the communications, the order, notices, letter, you will find DIN, document identification number. So you can select the second option that is applicable for all assessment year, where in the communication DIN has been mentioned. Select that option. There may be another issue. The notice has been issued by the inside portal of the income tax department. So in that case, you can click here option and you can verify the genuineness of the notice. So first, we are selecting the second option. You will go to a next screen. In the next screen, you will ask to enter the document identification number. That's mandatory. So whatever has been mentioned in the notice or letter, DIN, you enter the DIN. And then there is option of mobile number. Please fill your mobile number, and other person can also verify the genuineness of this notice, just like the tax practitioners. Once you enter the document identification number, mobile number, you will get a screen in which you have to enter the OTP which have been received, communicated to you through the message on the mobile number which have been entered. Once you enter that, if the notice, order or letter is genuine, you will see the screen in which it is mentioned, yes, notice, order or letter is issued by the income tax department. So you are satisfied that this is the genuine notice. There may be a second situation if you have entered the DIN which has been shown in the notice, letter or order. Put your mobile number, you got the message of OTP, you entered the OTP. Then you will found that no record found for the given document number. It means either document identification number is incorrect, or if you correctly filled up the number, it means this has not been issued by the income tax department. There's one option I have said, the inside portal. Again, when you click that inside option, so again that you can check the document identification number and then enter a CAPTCHA code and then proceed. After proceeding, you will again find the response whether the notice, order or letter has been issued by the department or not. Hope after understanding this, no cyber criminal will have courage to defraud you. Keep watching our channel for more insightful videos. Thank you.